Have you ever wondered how tap water recycling works in the United States? It's a question that's crossed many minds, but few know the answer. You see, the journey of tap water is much more than just turning on the faucet. Tap water recycling is a critical process, ensuring we have a constant and safe supply of water for our daily needs. It's a complex yet fascinating system that involves several stages. But there are common misconceptions about tap water. Some believe it's just plain rainwater, while others think it's laden with harmful substances like lead and chlorine. In reality, our tap water undergoes rigorous treatment and recycling methods to ensure its safety. It's a system that's been refined over years with the sole purpose of delivering clean, safe water to your homes. Now that we've piqued your curiosity, let's delve into the process. So where does your tap water come from and how does it get to your home? Let's delve into that journey. It all begins at a water source. This could be a river, a lake, or an underground aquifer. Water from these sources is pumped into local water treatment plants. Here, it undergoes a series of treatments to remove sediment, bacteria, and harmful chemicals. These treatments might include filtration, where water passes through layers of sand, gravel, and charcoal to trap impurities, or disinfection, where substances like chlorine are added to kill bacteria and other microorganisms. Once the water has been thoroughly cleaned, it's sent through miles of pipes, making its way to homes and businesses in the community. The local water treatment plants play a pivotal role in ensuring that the water you drink, bathe in, and cook with is safe and clean. But what happens when the water leaves your home? This is where recycling comes in. Tap water recycling is a fascinating and vital process. It's an intricate dance of science and engineering that starts with wastewater collection. This wastewater, once discarded from homes and businesses, is transported through an extensive network of pipes to a treatment facility. Here, the real magic begins. Wastewater undergoes several stages of treatment, each designed to remove different types of contaminants. Initial stages filter out large debris and solids, then biological processes break down organic matter. Advanced treatments remove finer particles and harmful substances like lead and chlorine. Once treated, this water is returned to the environment, replenishing our rivers, lakes, and groundwater supplies. This process is a testament to our commitment to conserve water resources in the U.S. It's a silent hero, ensuring every drop of water serves a purpose and nothing is wasted. Recycling ensures we don't waste this precious resource, but what if we told you there's a way to make your tap water even better? Meet PASTEUR Water System, your ally in ensuring clean, safe tap water. In a world where the quality of tap water is increasingly uncertain, PASTEUR Water System steps in as your trusted partner, committed to providing you with water that's not just safe, but also tastes great. Our system is designed to tackle common contaminants like lead and chlorine head-on. Through a process of rigorous filtration and purification, PASTEUR Water System ensures that these unwelcome elements are effectively removed, leaving you with pure, refreshing water. But it's not just about removing the bad stuff. PASTEUR Water System also enhances the natural goodness of water, ensuring that essential minerals are retained. The end result? Water that's not only safe and clean, but also rich in beneficial minerals and tastes absolutely fantastic. Why settle for good when you can have the best? Upgrade to PASTEUR Water System today and taste the difference in your tap water.